Good morning everyone. Welcome to our channel Mission Physics. I am Nanbo Dr. Rupus, the owner of Mission Physics. Today in our video, we are going to discuss how to download Anaconda in your PC. Is it Windows, Linux or MacBook? You can download Anaconda in your PC easily. So I request you guys to watch our video till end because if you skip it, we will not be able to understand how to download Anaconda in your PC properly. So let's start. Now to download Python in your PC, you have to firstly open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open Microsoft Edge on any browser. Wait. Now the question arises, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is really a distribution of the Python and the programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package managements and deployments. The distribution includes data science packages which is suitable for both Windows, Linux and MacBooks, which I previously clarified for yourself guys. Now, if you want to run Python code in your PC smoothly, then Anaconda software helps you create an environment for many different versions of Python. So generally, Anaconda is a distribution tool. In this distribution tool, you can get different types of Python IDs like Spider, PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, and many things. So guys, now to install Anaconda in your PC, you have to go Anaconda's official website through this URL. Don't worry, I will give you the URL link in our video description, so you can check it from it. Yeah, we have this URL. Now we have to go this free download section, and if you scroll it down, yeah, here you will get various options: Windows for MacBooks and Linux. Here I have my Windows, so I click here the download button. You see guys, here it starts downloading. You have to wait a while. So guys, you can see this Anaconda file 899 MB is downloaded. Now we have to install it on my laptop. So let's start installation. Hit next. I agree. Selection so we have to hit next. Hit next. Hit install. Guys, you can see Anaconda start install in my PC. Guys, you can see the installation of Anaconda completed. Now you have to hit next, then next, now yes. this is here, and do some minute. Okay, registration completed. Like this registration started. This will take some time because it's a large file. So guys, this is your ANACONDA tool. This is downloaded by PC. Yeah, the Python completed for, and also get Spider, and you can also get Jupyter notebook here. Find Jupyter. Yeah, Jupyter. Now you can simply hit launch button, start. Only click on it. So if you have any query, you can ask me in comment section, and we download Jupyter notebook successfully using our URL. Then hit the like button. If you want more, then subscribe our channel. And there's an announcement. We will start our free demo classes for semester 5 Python students of Calcutta University. If you want to join our free classes, then we will give you the WhatsApp format reading. We will attend our live classes and get lecture notes by joining this WhatsApp format. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.